Tracking influencer ROI can be tricky, but with the right tools and setup, you can measure the success of your influencer campaigns accurately. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track influencer ROI using UTM parameters and affiliate integrations, and how to use them together for clear insights into your campaign's performance. First, let's talk about UTM parameters. These are small snippets of code you can append to your URLs to track exactly where your traffic is coming from. When influencers share your links, you can use UTM parameters to tag the source, medium, campaign name, and more. This data will then show up in your analytics tools like Google Analytics, giving you detailed insights into which influencer campaigns are bringing the most traffic, conversions, and sales. To set up UTM tracking, you just need to create custom URLs for each influencer. There are plenty of online tools that can generate UTM parameters for you, or you can manually build them by adding these tags to your URL. That's a basic UTM link that you can then share with the influencer to track their efforts. Now let's talk about affiliate integrations. Affiliate platforms like ShareASale, Rakuten, or even specialized influencer marketing software often have built-in affiliate tracking. These platforms automatically generate unique affiliate links for each influencer and track the sales or leads generated through them. By integrating these platforms with your website or e-commerce system, you can see in real time how many clicks, conversions, or commissions each influencer is generating. The beauty of using affiliate integrations in combination with UTM parameters is that you get a double layer of tracking. UTM allows you to see detailed traffic sources, while affiliate systems show you actual sales or revenue tied directly to an influencer's performance. This way, you can track both the journey and the final results, giving you a complete picture of ROI. Here's a quick example. Let's say you're using both UTM parameters and an affiliate program to track an influencer's success. The UTM parameters give you data on how many people clicked the link, and the affiliate integration tells you how many of those clicks actually resulted in a sale. By combining these two data points, you can clearly see how well each influencer is contributing to your bottom line. Now, you might be wondering, which software should you use to get the most out of UTM and affiliate tracking? I've tested a bunch of the most popular tools, and in the description below, I've got an exclusive free trial to the software I recommend. It's powerful, user-friendly, and it integrates seamlessly with both UTM and affiliate platforms, helping you track everything in one place. You won't find this free trial anywhere else except here on my channel, so make sure to check it out if you want to follow along. To recap, tracking influencer ROI is key for maximizing your marketing efforts. Start by using UTM parameters for detailed traffic insights, and then layer on affiliate tracking to measure conversions and sales. By combining both methods, you get the clearest picture of influencer performance. Before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description. It's a great way to start tracking your influencer ROI effectively. Thanks for watching.